Everybody making fun of my little saw here I bought from Lowe's Home Improvements. It's a little 14-inch Worx chainsaw. I've used the one blade to cut down all these trees. Get ready to cut that one. Done all this work. Some of these trees are about 3 foot in diameter, and I think I cut to see some of these logs are pretty good size. You can compare it to my foot. Had to work the saw around just a little bit because the bar was a little too short, but it got done. We also use this Genie boom. Rented that from Rental Pro up here. This bad boy reaches up to about 60 feet. You see some of the other trees that we cut down here on the other end of the lot. These trees were probably about 50 feet tall, but those trees there were 75 feet tall to 80 feet tall. So we had a real good reach on those. Got scared a couple of times, but I guess that's why they call this one of the most dangerous jobs that you could do. But that little Worx saw, it was tough, still is, like brand new. I bought another one just for a backup, and I'll show you it too, but don't look like we're going to have a backup. They're good saws. There's my other saw. I went to Walmart and seen it on the shelf, and I said I'll buy one of these. So that was my backup plan, but didn't have to have it. But got a lot of cleanup here to do. So if you're out looking for a saw, you don't have to go into these big high-powered chainsaws, because this has made me a believer. If you can do this, you don't have to have the steel, you don't have to have the other big name chainsaws to get a job done. Save you money, stick it in your pocket. I think I paid $50 for this. It's 48 something at Walmart and $49 and something at Lowe's. Well, I've done all this with the Worx chainsaw. Can't appreciate it until you get up here where you can actually see everything that you've done with it. My neighbor, he was really impressed with it. He had a gas chainsaw, I think it was a steel or something like that, but I told him I'd just use mine and just see what I could get done. It's worth every single penny of it. It's something, I'm telling you, I'm very impressed with it. I would rent this $600 instead of going and paying somebody. I'd say this would cost about $3,000 or $4,000 to have this done. So with a $50 chainsaw and one of these lifts to get you there, you do a lot of work. I'm not a professional by no means, but you know, it's just what your armchair quarterback every day, you know, everyday guy can do.